today we are going to talk about buying a hot tub in 2024. And I will tell you, I've been selling hot tubs since 2003, and this year I have never been more excited about buying and selling hot tubs as I am this year. There is a lot of super new, super exciting stuff coming on. And if you were ever thinking about buying a hot tub, this is definitely the year to get one. There are so many great things going on and just lots of stuff to pay attention to. Stay tuned as I will be revealing a lot of brand new stuff. And some of it I can't quite share with you yet, but here in the next couple of weeks, I will be able to share it with you. And you guys are going to absolutely be blown away. So if you're in the market for a hot tub, now is the time. And I would also tell you, if you're looking to save some money, now is definitely the time. You definitely want to, the 2023s, everybody, absolutely every dealer that I know is 100% blowing out their 23 inventory right now, and it is a really good time. And historically, January, February, March, that is the best time of year to actually buy a hot tub.